Y'all, this exact unit is literally only $79 on Amazon right now. $79 for this full frontal wig. Keep watching for details. Hey y'all, it's Nicole back with another wig review and unboxing. So let's get right into it. Today I have Amazon wigs. That's plural with the S because I literally have 3 wigs. 1, 2, and 3 that I need to unbox. And coincidentally, all these wigs are 24-inch body wave wigs. 2 of them are 13x4s and then 1 of them is a 13x6. And honestly, I don't know which is which because I forgot which got here first and they don't really say. I know this one is a 24-inch. I don't know which one it is though. So I'm just gonna pick one and then we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I think the one I wanna go with is this one. Since I know this is a 24-inch already, let's go ahead and unbox it. Nothing else in here. Comes with some wig caps per usual. Look at all this pink, look how cute. And this is my favorite color, y'all. So I love these little pink bags. Like this shade of pink is so cute, like. But anyways, this is what we have. Ooh, they got me a little gift in there. Every time I unbox these wigs, I feel like they look longer than what they say. Like this is a 24-inch, but doesn't that look long, y'all? Look. Look how you can't even see the full wig and it's curled up at the end. So I'm already getting excited to see what's inside. 13x4 lace frontal wig, 24 inches in size. Yeah, take it out the bag. The wig looks beautiful, like bomb at a first glance. Let's take all this off. One of these wigs is supposed to be like a full 13x4 frontal based off the pictures I've seen. And you know what's crazy? I still don't know which wig this is because there's no label on it. Oh yeah, this is the one. The full frontal inside, 13x4. Yeah. Ooh, and the hair is so soft. I didn't get no shedding. Nothing. Nothing. Y'all see this? The hair is so soft, bouncy, like it's thick, but it's soft and it's like fluffy. And I'm not even being dramatic. It does have that same smell. It's not a bad smell to me. I'm used to it. It just smells like maybe like chemicals they wash the wig with. But look at the full frontal. Let's get into that. I already know this wig is gonna be given half up, half downs, deep side parts, bangs, all that, because look at the frontal space that we have. Like usually we just get a little inch of baby hairs, but look at what they give us. Look at all this lace. 10 out of 10. Okay, so now that I've unboxed it, I know which wig this is, and I know how Amazon takes pictures now of your package when they leave it. I just went and looked and I seen the little light pink bag in the picture, so I know this is the right wig. This is BELEXTENS 24-inch body wave, 13x4, 180 density, 24-inch body wave wig. You're getting the full lace, 24 inches, 180 density, body wave. Look at the, like, y'all, this hair is really so soft and it feels so good. Like this feels like some high quality hair. And I like how the ends are like pretty thick. Like it's pretty thick to the ends. It's not super see-through. And this wig only came up to $100. One thing about me, I will never, ever, ever sleep on Amazon wigs. Full lace. And look how little the knots are in the front. You can't even see them knots for real. I'm putting that thing close. You can't even see the knots for real. 180 density. Run and get this wig. And like I mentioned in the beginning, this last batch of wigs I got were all 24-inch body wave wigs. 2 of them 13x4, 1 of them 13x6. I just gotta say, I was gonna like rank them which one I like the best. I think this is #1. And I actually have another body wave 26-inch wig on the way, and I was gonna rank that one too, but I haven't even seen the other ones. This one's in first place right now, y'all. Show y'all the length. The length of this wig. It's going to my waist. Keep in mind, I'm on the taller side. I'm like 5'7", 5'7.5". I'm pretty tall, and full lace, small knots, no shedding. I'm not even gonna say minimal. I'm not getting no shedding from this wig. I'm really excited to install this. So y'all stay tuned and watch to the end before you do click out the video, because I am gonna show y'all the hair installed and review it. Once I customize it, pluck it, bleach it, you know, style it, install it, I'm gonna show y'all and review it that way. But I just know this wig is gonna turn out beautiful. Like, I'm not exaggerating when I say I really do love this wig. They're not paying me to say this. This is one of my new favorite wigs. If y'all have seen my previous one side video, this wig kind of reminds me of that, where the lace is full and it was like a 24-inch wig, which is really good quality. This is definitely like a dupe to that, if not better. I'm not gonna lie, because this wig is super thick. Y'all stay tuned. Also, if y'all want to see the details on this wig, because I know some of y'all are curious, like where this wig is from, guess. Yeah, it's from Amazon. Like, Amazon is that girl, y'all. I'm just trying to tell y'all, like, these big hair companies, y'all don't gotta shop with them if y'all don't want to. If y'all want to save y'all money and slay, yeah, this is the Amazon wig. Details on this wig, let me tell y'all really quick. RLTEO 13x4 deep wave lace front wig. I paid $137, not bad at all, and they have coupons right now. 180 density. Look how full this wig is. 180 density, and this is only 20 inches. So, and keep in mind, you know, I always cut my wigs and layer them. Links in my storefront. This is the RLTEO 13x4 deep wave wig on my storefront, and yeah, I'll link the little video right here if y'all want to watch and see the unboxing of this wig. But Amazon. So y'all, this is how the hair ended up turning out. Of course, I went off camera and did my makeup, but I did settle on a side part, and this is how it turned out. I think it turned out super cute and super sleek. I did trim the ends. This is what the ends are looking like. I like blunt ends, so I did trim the ends, and I gave the wig layers, and I straightened it, and this is the final look. So this is it, y'all, and I'm obsessed with this look. One thing about me, I love a side part, and if y'all been watching me, then y'all know I love side parts. So this right here is like one of my go-to styles, but it eats every time. Like, it never fails, and I'm in love with this look. And this unit is only 24 inches long, y'all, and look how it looks. It looks bomb, and I'm in love with this hair, y'all. I just love everything about it. The length, how soft it is, how fluffy, bouncy, it's sleek, like, it has shine, it has luster, and it holds curls well. I really do just love this hair, y'all. I love how the frontal is full. Everything about this wig is just a 10 out of 10 for me, and the price is just a cherry on top. Like, you can't beat this quality of a wig for the price that it is. Like, anybody can be a baddie, because anybody can afford this wig for $75 for a human hair wig, full frontal. Yeah, add this to your cart. The link is in my storefront. In that previous clip, I did say $75, but this wig is actually $79.49 right now, which is still a steal deal. You're getting a full frontal wig for 24 inches, $79.49 on Amazon, 2-day shipping. Y'all definitely go add this wig to your cart right now. Again, this is the BELEXTENS unit on my storefront in 24 inches, 13x4. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you like the video, comment any questions or comments you have, and make sure you subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.